Hey guys, Leon here from Laoya TV. So OnePlus has just announced their latest flagship device. It is the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro has a 6.67-inch Quad HD Plus 19 by 5.9 Fluid AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a curved edge display much like the Galaxy devices, which gives it a premium-looking bezel-less design. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset with 6, 8 or 12GB RAM variants, as well as 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.0 internal storage. This gives it faster read and write speeds for transferring files and such. It has a 4000 mAh battery, but it might not have as long a battery life as other devices with a similar battery capacity. This is because it has to power the 90Hz display. Now it doesn't have wireless charging, but it does have Warp Charge 30, which is able to charge your phone to about 50% in 20 minutes. Now that is pretty impressive. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor as well as face unlock. Now I know you guys might be wondering, how does it face unlock without a front-facing camera? It does have one. It has a motorized pop-up camera module which is rated for 300,000 elevations, and it's housing a 16-megapixel sensor. On the rear, it has a triple camera setup, much like other flagship devices, with a 48-megapixel standard camera, an 8-megapixel 3x zoom telephoto camera, as well as a 16-megapixel ultra-wide. And no, there isn't a headphone jack, and no, there isn't an IP certification either. Though there is a OnePlus ad on YouTube showing that the phone is kinda water resistant, so rinse at your own discretion. So the OnePlus 7 Pro will be launching here in Malaysia on the 21st of May, but as of right now, it is priced at 669 USD for the base model, which is about 2,800 ringgit. So let us know down in the comment section below what you guys think of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.